everyone, welcome back after a long time. Today I wanted to share with you my favorite sponge to do the dishes. Saving pennies here and there. This is the grout cleaner and I have been using a piece of this grout cleaner for almost 2 years now. This is excellent to do dishes, to wash all the glassware, almost everything, and to clean the counters. And this big grout cleaner, which comes double the size, is around $2 in the Home Depot near me. And one piece in this lasts me for more than 1.5 years. So just reconsider when you buy the sponges to wash dishes. This and the other one would be the steel metal scrubber, and that will be good enough for your kitchen. Saving pennies here and there is the path to frugality, which is indeed the path to prosperity. Thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.